Morning student, today we study exercise 6.2 of coordinate geometry. We study from question number 16. Question number 16 is prove that 2a, 4a, 2a, 6a and 2a plus a root 3, 5a are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Then point A are vertex A, 2a, 4a, point B 2a, 6a and vertex C are point C equal to 2a plus a root 3, 5a. Now we find all sides of this triangle, first AB, then BC, then CA. We see that AB equal to 2a minus 2a whole of square plus 6a minus 4a whole of square equal to 0 square plus 2a square equal to root 4a square is equal to 2a units. Now we find BC, then we'll put in place of x1 2a plus a root 3 in place of x2 2a. 2a cancel by 2a, then a root 3 square equal to 3a square and y1 minus y2 5a minus 6a minus a square equal to a square. Then we have root 4a square is equal to 2a units. Now we find CA, root 2a plus a root 3 minus 2a which is a root 3 which square is a square and 5a minus 4 equal to a square 3a square equal to 4a square which is 2a unit. Now we see that AB equal to BC is equal to CA which is equal to 2a units. Given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle, hence proved. Now next question is find the third vertex of an equilateral triangle whose other two vertices of 1, 1 and minus 1, minus 1. Let third vertex A equal to x, y, then B 1, 1, C minus 1, minus 1. Now we find first AB, then BC, then CA. AB equal to x minus 1 whole of square plus y minus 1 whole of square. X minus 1 whole of square equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Y minus 1 whole of square को y square minus 2y plus 1. Then root x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 units. Then we find CA which is x plus 1 whole of square and y plus 1 whole of square. X square plus 2x plus 1, y square plus 2y plus 1 which is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2 units. Now we find BC equal to 1 plus 1 whole of square and 1 plus 1 whole of square which is equal to root 2 square plus root 2 square. 4 plus 4 root 8 equal to 2 root 2. Hence triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so AB equal to CA equal to BC. First we take AB equal to CA, root x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2. Now taking square on both sides, x square cancelled by x square, y square cancelled by y square. 2 cancelled by 2, then we have minus 4x equal to 4y. Minus x equal to y, then x equal to minus 5. Let equation first. Now we take AB equal to BC. Value of AB root x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to value of BC 2 root 2. Taking square on both sides, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 8. Now put x equal to minus y from equation first. Then we have minus y square plus y square minus 2 into minus y minus 2y plus 2. 2y cancelled by minus 2y. Then we have 2y square plus 2 equal to 8. Then y square plus 1 equal to 4. When dividing whole equation by 2, then we have y square plus 1 equal to y square equal to 4 minus 1. Y equal to plus minus root 3. Y equal to root 3 or y equal to minus root 3. Then x equal to minus root 3 or x equal to plus root 3. Now point A equal to minus root 3 plus root 3 or plus root 3 or minus root 3. The vertex is minus root 3 or root 3 or root 3 or minus root 3. Question number 18 solved similar to question number 17. Now question number 19 is prove that the point 2, 2 is the center of the circle passing through the points 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 3. Now point P equal to 2, 2 which is the center of circle. Point A 1, 2, point B 2, 1 and point C 2, 3. First we find the distance between PA, PB and PC. First we find PA 2 minus 1 whole of square 2 minus 2 whole of square. Then we have root 1 square plus 0 square equal to root 1 equal to 1 unit. Now we find PB equal to root 2 minus 2 whole of square 1 minus 2 whole of square which is equal to root 1 equal to 1 unit. Now we find PC 2 minus 2 whole of square, 2 minus 3 whole of square, which is equal to 0 plus 1 whole square equal to root 1 equal to 1 unit. We see that PA equal to PB equal to PC, which is 1 unit. So this is the radii of triangle, radii of circle. So P is the center of circle, hence point ABC at the circle, hence proved. Next question is, if XY is a point on the circumference of the circle whose center is 3, minus 2 and radius is 3 units, prove that x square plus y square equal to 6x minus 4y minus 4. First, center of the circle is 3, minus 2. Let point P equal to x, y. OP equal to 3 units. We have formula distance between 2 points, root x1 minus x2 whole of square plus y1 minus y2 whole of square. Then OP equal to root 3 minus x square plus minus 2 minus y whole of square equal to 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 4 plus 4y plus y square. Now taking square on both sides, 9 equal to 9 minus 6 plus x square plus 4 plus 4y plus y square. Then minus x square minus y square. Minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 plus 4 minus 9. Minus 9 cancelled by 9. Then minus x square minus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 4. Now multiply by minus 1. Then we have x square plus y square. 6x minus 4y minus 4. Hence proved. Next question. Find the center of the circle on which of the point 8, minus 2, 8, 6 and 2, minus 2 lie. Let center of the circle O, x, y, point A, 8, 6, point B, 8, minus 2 and point C, 2, minus 2. Since OA, OB and OC are the radii of circle, so OA equal to OB equal to OC. First, we take OA equal to OB, then root x minus 8 whole of square plus y minus 6 whole of square. Then root x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole of square. Then taking square, x minus 8 whole of square, y minus 6 whole of square equal to 8 minus x minus 8 whole of square plus y plus 2 whole of square. Then x minus 8 whole of square cancelled by x minus 8 whole of square. Y minus 6 whole of square equal to y plus 2 whole of square. Y minus 6 whole square equal to y square minus 12y plus 36. And y plus 2 whole of square, y square plus 4y plus 4. Y square cancelled by y square, then minus 12y minus 4y. 4 minus 36 minus 16y equal to minus 30y equal to 2. If OB equal to OC, then root x minus 8 whole of square plus y plus 2 whole of square equal to x minus 2 whole of square plus y plus 12. Taking square both sides, then y plus 2 square cancelled by y plus 2 square. Then we have x minus 8 whole of square equal to x minus 2 whole of square. Now we expand this. X square minus 16x plus 64 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. X square cancelled by x square minus 16x plus 4x equal to minus 12x. In right hand side we have 4 minus 64 is equal to minus 60. Now x equal to 5. The center of the circle x, y equal to 5, 2. All the student in homework do exercise 6.4 from question number 60 to 21. Thank you. Good day.